In this video, you will receive step-by-step instruction and guidance through the process of updating your COVID-19 vaccine certification through EMU's RECAP Portal. By the end of this training, you will be able to successfully locate the vaccine certification portal through emich.edu, fill out the vaccine certification form, which includes uploading a scanned PDF or JPEG of your vaccination card, and to check that you've successfully completed this work. Start by opening the Eastern Michigan University website emich.edu. At the top of the homepage, you'll see a gray banner that reads EMU Safe COVID-19 Resources and Fall 2021 Operations. Go ahead and click on this banner to open our EMU Safe page. This is the EMU Safe main page. It includes all the information you'll need regarding the COVID-19 procedures and guidelines in place here. Click this link to open the Vaccine and Test Information page. This page has information about uploading both your vaccine card and your weekly test results, depending on your vaccination status. As a reminder, students who are not fully vaccinated may be required to test weekly according to the Students Stay Safe program. Click the button labeled Report Vaccine Status and/or COVID Test Results. This is the Vaccine Attestation and COVID Test Form Q. You'll open this to submit your COVID vaccine card, and if you need to submit a COVID test to the university at any point in time, you'll do that here as well. Click the Edit Response button on the right-hand side of the COVID Vaccine Attestation row. This is the COVID Vaccine Attestation. It will ask you to fill out the following information: your phone number, EMU organization affiliations, and vaccine status. You will also be asked to provide information on the vaccine you received, if you did in fact receive one. Please provide the name of the county where you received your vaccine, the type of vaccine you received, the number of doses of the vaccine you received, and the date of your last dose. Then, you will be asked to provide proof of your vaccination by uploading your vaccine card. Take a picture or scan your vaccine card and upload either a JPEG or PDF for us to validate your information. To do this, click the Upload File button. A window will open that will prompt you to find the file containing this information on your computer. Click the Browse button. Find your COVID vaccine card file and select it. Then, click Open once it's highlighted. Make sure that you've attached the correct file. Its name will appear to the right of the Browse button. Click Upload File to attach it to the form. If you have any additional comments, type them into the corresponding text entry box. Then, type your initials in the final section to verify that your submission is accurate and truthful. Once you are happy with all your answers, and everything is inputted correctly, go ahead and click the Submit button at the bottom of the form. You've now successfully submitted your COVID vaccine card. You can check its completion by viewing the status of your COVID vaccine attestation. If you've done everything correctly, you should see a green check mark next to the word Completed. You may now close this page by clicking the Close Survey button. Great work reviewing this process. Following this demonstration, you should be confident in your ability to accomplish the following: locating the vaccine certification portal, filling out the vaccine certification form, and finally, checking your submission to confirm its completion. That concludes this training on submitting your COVID-19 vaccine certifications for EMU. If you have any questions about anything that was discussed today, please don't hesitate to send an email to EMU Telehealth at emu_telehealth@emich.edu as it's listed on screen. We would be happy to clarify any confusion and answer your questions. To learn more about EMU's procedures and guidelines regarding COVID-19, please visit the Students Stay Safe program page at www.emich.edu/emusafe/studentsstaysafe.php. Thank you.